The surprising truth about workouts and weight loss. Why sweat sessions might not shrink your waistline as much as you think. Picture this. You pounding the pavement on a daily run, or lifting heavy weights at the gym, pouring sweat and determination into every session, only to find the scale hasn't budged much. It's disheartening, isn't it? Yet, this is the core dilemma many of us face in our quest for a slimmer figure. The golden rule of shedding pounds seems simple: burn more calories than you consume, and voila, the weight should melt away. But as fitness expert Rachel Woods points out, real-life application often throws curveballs that make it far from straightforward. Sure, folks often turn to tracking calories, opting for smaller meals, or adding physical activity to their routine to create that coveted calorie shortfall. However, studies reveal that while exercise can help, its impact on actual weight reduction tends to be fairly limited. But here's where it gets controversial. Does that mean we should abandon our fitness routines altogether? Absolutely not. In fact, exercise emerges as a vital player in overall well-being, especially when it comes to holding onto those hard-won results after you've hit your target weight. Let's dive deeper and unpack why this paradox exists, breaking it down step by step so even beginners can grasp the concepts without feeling overwhelmed. Several biological mechanisms shed light on why hitting the gym doesn't always translate to dramatic weight loss. For starters, physical activity can actually ramp up your hunger signals, prompting you to eat more afterward. Think of it as your body's way of compensating for the energy expended. Imagine finishing an intense workout and suddenly craving a hearty meal. That's appetite stimulation in action. Additionally, you might unconsciously slow down the rest of the day, say by lounging more on the couch, or skipping a planned walk, which diminishes the overall calorie burn. This subconscious adjustment means the workout's benefits could be neutralized in unexpected ways. Then there's the body's clever adaptation over time. As you get fitter, your system learns to burn fewer calories for the same exercise. It's like your car becoming more fuel efficient after regular use. Experts call this metabolic adaptation, and it's your body's natural defense mechanism against losing weight too quickly. From an evolutionary standpoint, this trait likely helped our ancestors survive famines by conserving energy during tough physical demands. But in our modern world, packed with convenient food and sedentary jobs, it becomes a sneaky hurdle in the weight loss journey. And this is the part most people miss: it's not laziness, it's biology at work. Yet, despite these challenges, exercise isn't relegated to the sidelines. Research underscores its value, particularly in preserving weight loss once achieved. Take a large-scale study involving over 1,100 participants. It showed that while ramping up activity didn't drastically boost initial weight loss, maintaining higher activity levels post-weight loss was strongly tied to keeping the pounds off. This suggests exercise acts more like a guardian of your progress than a primary weight-reducing force. Plus, the perks extend beyond the scale: better cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, improved blood sugar management, and enhanced insulin sensitivity, all linked to a lower risk of serious issues like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. These advantages highlight why incorporating workouts during the weight loss phase and beyond is crucial for long-term health. Intriguingly, pairing exercise with certain weight loss medications, such as Expenditure, appears to yield better results in sustaining weight loss compared to relying on the drugs alone. It's a reminder that holistic approaches often outperform solo strategies. Now, you might be scratching your head: if exercise doesn't drive significant weight loss, how does it prevent the dreaded rebound? The explanations aren't fully mapped out, but several theories provide clarity, especially tailored for those new to the topic. First, consider resting energy expenditure. That's the calories your body uses just by existing, like breathing or keeping your heart beating. When you drop pounds, this expenditure drops more than expected for the weight lost, setting the stage for regain. But regular physical activity boosts your total daily calorie burn, helping to counteract this dip. For example, someone who walks briskly for 30 minutes a day might offset some of that metabolic slowdown. Second, muscle mass plays a starring role. Typical weight loss often means shedding both fat and muscle, and losing muscle slows down your resting energy burn, making regain easier. Fortunately, activities like resistance training, think Pilates sessions, or weightlifting, can preserve or even increase muscle. This revs up your metabolism, supporting sustained weight management. Imagine building stronger muscles that act like a built-in calorie furnace, even at rest. Exercise also fine-tunes the body's fat-burning prowess. Post-weight loss, efficiency in using fat for energy can wane, but high-intensity workouts enhance metabolic flexibility, the skill to switch fuels between carbs and fats as needed. This ensures your body keeps torching fat, even on a calorie-restricted diet. Additionally, it sharpens insulin sensitivity, meaning your body needs less insulin to handle blood sugar, which discourages fat storage and promotes fat breakdown. A simple example, regular aerobic activities, like cycling, can help stabilize glucose levels, reducing the urge to snack impulsively. Beyond these direct effects, exercise weaves in indirect benefits that bolster weight maintenance. Better sleep, elevated mood, and lower stress levels all contribute, as they tame cortisol, the stress hormone notorious for encouraging fat accumulation. Consistent movement also aids in appetite control and blood sugar regulation, curbing cravings and preventing overindulgence. It's like giving your body a toolkit for emotional and physical resilience. Of course, responses vary wildly from person to person. Some might burn calories like a furnace after a workout, while others feel ravenous and less active. Genetics, current fitness level, and even the type of exercise matter. That's why personalized approaches, perhaps consulting a trainer, can make a difference. Different workouts bring their own strengths to the table. Aerobic exercises, such as jogging or brisk walking, excel at burning calories, and, when done intensely, boost fat utilization for energy. On the flip side, resistance training focuses on muscle preservation, keeping your metabolism humming for long-term stability. Combining both, like mixing yoga with strength sessions, offers a well-rounded strategy. In summary, while exercise may not be the heavyweight champion of initial weight loss, it's an indispensable ally for locking in those results. More than that, it delivers a wealth of physical and mental perks that enrich life far beyond what the mirror shows. But here's a thought-provoking twist. Could the emphasis on exercise for weight loss be overshadowing other factors, like mindful eating or sleep habits? Do you feel exercise gets too much credit, or perhaps not enough? We'd love to hear your take in the comments. Agree, disagree, or share your experiences. Rachel Woods is a senior lecturer in physiology at the University of Lincoln in the United Kingdom. This article is republished from The Conversation, https The Conversatio North Con The Exercise Paradox Why Workouts Aren't Great for Weight Loss but Useful for Maintaining a Healthy Body Weight. Under Creative Commons license.